Good morning, my dear students. This is class 4th, subject English Reasoning, topic Spell Well, and this is lecture number 2 of this topic. First of all, we will do a recall of our previous lecture. In previous lecture, we have learned to spell a word correctly. We must write the letters that form the word in correct sequence. You should focus on pronunciation. It can be a little tricky as many words in English are pronounced the same while spelled differently. So you should be careful while you are pronouncing the spelling. Now some more points to remember. Start reading more and more. Read interesting books and magazines to learn new words. Practice the pronunciation of the letters, as the way you will learn how to detect the errors in spelling. Whenever you do more and more practice, you can easily find the errors in the spellings. Use dictionary. You can also use dictionary to study even more words. Study with fun. It will be easier to remember the words while you are having fun. So you can do practice with your friends, and it will be easier to remember the words while you are playing or having fun with your friends. So these are some more points so that you can remember more and more new words. Now we will do practice. Choose the correct spelling of the missing word in each sentence. First, they walked dash the field. Option A, ACROSS, B, ACCROSE, and C, ACCROS. The right answer is ACROSS, across. They walked across the field. Option A is correct. Check your dash and spellings. Here again 3 options are given. Option A, GRAMMER, grammar, B, GRAMMAR, and C, GRANMER. The correct option is B, GRAMMAR. Check your grammar and spelling. Question number 3. I have a dash for you. Option A, SUPRIZE. Option B, SURPRICE, and C, SURPRISE. Correct option is C, SURPRISE. I have a surprise for you.
Now another example. What is the dash of this plot? Option A, AREAA. Option B, ARREA. Option C, AREA. What is the area of this plot? And the right answer is C, AREA. Another example. He is about average dash. Option A, HEIGTH. Option B, HEIGHT. Option C, HEIGHTH. And correct option is B, HEIGHT. He is about average height.
So we have done some more practice of this topic. Now homework. I will give one assignment on at Quark, and you will do practice of that assignment. Now goodbye and happy learning.